G'day guys, Jack here from Cactus Camping, and today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install your vehicle utility bag on the back of your tailgate or your spare tyre. When you receive your bag and you're unboxing it, you'll find inside the first thing is your scratch resistant backplate, which is good for use in applications with your tailgate. You also have your harness wrapped up in this little bag here, nice and neat. And don't forget, in the very bottom, we've got our carabiners and our bottle opener too. So the first step to installing your vehicle utility bag is to grab your harness and unbox that. So here we go, pulling that out. Lay that out on your tailgate and unravel it as well, like that. Now if you're choosing to opt for the scratch resistant backplate, you'll also want to get that. Lay that out on your tailgate as well. Pressing down, making sure that your Velcro surface is getting nice, even contact. Just like that. All of our harnesses come with this strap. Now this here is not necessary for your tailgate applications. However, if you do plan on using this in the future on a spare tyre, definitely hold on to this one. Once you've attached your scratch resistant backplate to the harness, now it's as simple as laying the whole assembly over the back of your tailgate and feeding these buckles up and underneath the tailgate. So now you've got those buckles feeded through the other side and clicked in place. It's a good time to figure out where exactly on your tailgate do you want it. You obviously don't want it overhanging your number plate because that would be bad. And you don't want it too far over because it might obstruct your tail lights as well. So find that happy medium spot, whatever works for you. Make sure that the harness is in the right spot this way. So for my application, about here is good. And give these a tug just to tighten it up. So that's nice and solid in place, ready to go. Now the last step is to get your excess straps and fold them up nice and neatly. And here at Cactus, we've thought about everything. We've got these beautiful little buckle protectors / strap keepers that will keep those straps nice and neatly tucked in. And now we've got our harness secured nice and tightly on the back of our tailgate. It's just as simple as attaching our bag with one click and a second click. And we are ready to go.
G'day folks, I'm Luca from Cactus Camping and I'm here to show you how to install your utility bag on the back of your spare tyre. Now first thing you want to make sure is you've got your cross strap that Jack removed in the first part of the video, because you're going to need that for this install. So the first thing you want to do is grab your harness and find the end with the logo on it. Now drape this over your tyre with the logo facing you or away from your vehicle. Then we're going to grab our straps and feed them underneath and clip them up the top to the mating end. Now once you've done this, you want to make sure that that strap we installed previously is sitting on the belly of the tyre. And once you're happy with everything, give everything a nice pull down. Make sure it's tight and firm so your bag won't go anywhere while you're forward driving. Then with this extra strap, you can fold it upon itself and tuck it away into these nice little Velcro pouches. And that's pretty much it. Grab your cactus bag, clip her in, and there you have it. It's easy as that. Not bad.
Not bad.
Good size.